Available in your BMW. Choose the safer way of using your iPhone while driving. Seamlessly integrate various functions of your iPhone in the car using Apple CarPlay. To connect to Apple CarPlay, open Communication from the iDrive system, scroll down to Manage Mobile Devices, connect New Device, and select Apple CarPlay and confirm to use Apple CarPlay. Next, open the Bluetooth settings from your iPhone and look for the BMW code provided from the iDrive screen. Once it pops up, go ahead and select it and click Pair. Next, you can allow your contacts and favorites to sync. Go ahead and hit the OK on the screen. Your iPhone will give you another prompt. Click Use CarPlay, and then you will be connected. To use Apple CarPlay while driving, press and hold the voice command button on the steering wheel and activate Siri. You can use Siri to make a phone call, send a text message, play your favorite music, and get directions to your next destination. Give me directions to BMW of North Haven.
Getting directions to BMW of North Haven.
Merge your life on your iPhone with your life in your BMW. The road is calling. For more information on this topic or others, you can download the BMW Genius app, give us a call, or come in and schedule your appointment at BMW of North Haven today.